Action Jack Adventures right here with Burgermeister. We're at a secret location right here.
We always go to these secret places that nobody's ever seen or heard of.
It's secret. And where are we? We're going to find out as Action Jack Adventures continues right now.
So what did we do? We start off the tour by jaywalking across the street here to get, there we go, jaywalking, and you walk fast. And there's the Sheraton.
We stayed at there one
yeah,
time.
Our first trip here.
It was very nice.
And that is a nice view. Hello, handsome.
There we go.
Yes, so that's where we're going. There's the boat. It's leaving. And that's how far down, and the lines are endless. But we walk and we walk and we walk and we walk, I guess because we're going to stand once we get on the boat.
So we've been on both sides, the American and the Canadian side. Loved them both. It's fantastic. I prefer the American side, of course.
Duh.
But we're going this. We've been on this twice, by the way, twice in 2 days.
Now we got to interrupt. See that big building up there? That is the Westinghouse electrical plant that was put up by George Westinghouse with Nikola Tesla. So, and it's of course defunct, but the building is still there. Oh yeah, I had to interject that. Sorry, because we were driving by it, or rowing by it, whatever the boat was doing, going by it.
So yes, we did this twice in 2 days. It was fantastic. If you're wearing blue,
and the water was the same.
And it's just gorgeous weather.
And we got soaking wet both times.
If you're wearing blue, you're on the American side. If you're wearing red, you're on the Canadian side.
And we're wearing red because we met my relatives there, and we all got on the boat on the Canadian side and had a fabulous... By the way, it's only about a 20-minute boat ride. If you're going to take this ride from either shore, and it seems longer, but it's only about 20 minutes.
Yes, and you do it all day and in the night, and during the summertime, you can see the fireworks.
Now, this on the left is the American Falls or the Bridal Falls. And it's just spectacular. At night, they illuminate it with all kinds of lights, and it's just
red,
gorgeous.
white, and blue on this side.
On a different side. And then on the Horseshoe Falls, which is the big Niagara Falls thing that everybody wants to go to, that gets illuminated at night, too. I think we might have done a video on that. Not quite sure. But this place is so spectacular, and it goes by so quick, and you cannot get enough video because it's just so amazing that you just want to soak it up and soak it up and soak
Pun
it
intended.
Up. Oh, yeah, pun intended. Oh, yeah, as you can see, I'm kind of wet.
So
listen here. Nope. Oh, I thought I had sound on to hear the water.
Yeah,
Should I turn the sound on so we can hear how loud it is?
Sure.
We've got it coming up. But I can put some on. Hold on. Well, we tried it with that, and it didn't sound good, us talking in the water. But in about 5 seconds now, we're just going to have the water at the Horseshoe Falls.
Okay, so Bergie and I are back, and we went...
That was loud, too, by the way.
It was.
That
and
was
very
super
wet.
loud.
We did it 2 different days, and the second day we learned, don't be in the front of the boat, because that's way too much water. The best thing to do is to be on side of the boat.
Well, yes.
No.
It still rained. It still rained. I mean, we got so wet. Everybody was drenched.
But it's not even close.
No.
Be on the side of the boat. Don't be in the front, because all you're going to get is really wet. And if you want a video from that, all you do is take a hose from your yard and then put the camera under the hose, and that's what you're going to see, just a bunch of water spraying everywhere.
That doesn't sound like very much fun. We weren't that far under the water.
I mean, the first time we were at the
there's
front
the
of the
Nikola
boat.
Tesla. There's the American boat. and the
Yes.
observation tower.
And if you're on the American side, which I prefer, it's not just because I'm an American.
Hold that thought. There's the bridge going from America to
Rainbow
Canada,
Bridge,
and the
there's
border is on both sides.
And the helium balloon, which we took. We did
did that.
every single adventure that you can do
So
here.
now go ahead and tell about the American.
If you're on the
Advantage.
American side, by the way, you wear blue. You wear red if you're on the Canadian side. But on that one, you include the access to the Niagara Falls observation tower.
Which we did all that too.
And their boats are quieter. They're all electric. I should say our boats are all
Yeah, our
electric,
boats are
and
electric.
newer and much quieter.
Smoother ride.
Yes, and you can just hop on the American side. This one you have
Appointment.
the appointments and all
And
that.
you still get to stand in line.
And the history on the American side is much longer. Look at that beautiful rainbow. It's much longer. The history. It's 150 years that boat's been going around. So but look
Isn't
at
that beautiful?
You
Look at
always
American
get
Falls out there.
you always get if
And
the sun
Bridal-
is
and
out.
then the Bridal Falls,
Hey,
American
there's a
Falls,
double rainbow.
and Horseshoe Falls.
You always get a rainbow depending on the time of the day.
Yes, we
When-
have some
if-
beautiful rainbow pictures.
Well, it's absolutely gorgeous.
There goes the Canadian boat, the Maid of the Mist that we were just on going back. It's just fun. We got out, we're dry now, we're warm. And by the way, you have to do this in the summer. It gets so wet, you don't want to freeze to death.
And
Going in the fall or somewhere. I don't know when the season ends. I think in November or something, or end of October. You freeze
So
yourself to
Berger and I
death.
have been in Niagara Falls, I think, aggregated for each day, something like 5 or 6 days. So it's fantastic. We love Niagara Falls. So we're going to have more upcoming ones on Niagara Falls, including the helium balloon and I think the best restaurant ever as far as
$1
views.
million view.
I'm adjusting my view. It used to be the one in La Jolla, San Diego County, and California, but now this is going to be my favorite restaurant, the Table Rock House Restaurant, and we're going to have an upcoming adventure there. In fact, we ate there several times. It is a fantastic place. All right, on behalf of my lovely bride, Burgermeister, this is Action Jack saying we'll be back, and it will be soon, and that's the name of that tune. So if you like this, please give us a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, give us a thumbs up. And a positive comment helps us, and share it and subscribe. Thanks for watching Action Jack Adventures.